How to send large file in Yahoo. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can send large files in Yahoo. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to go to mail.yahoo.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now to send message or to send the files, head over to this new message icon at the top left corner, click on it. And now here you have to type in the recipient address, and under that there is this attach file icon. You have to click on it, and from your device you can add your file. But if your file is larger and if you want to send large file, here's what you can do it. First of all, you have to upload the file to your drive. So open up Drive in your device. Here click on this new button at the top left, and here click on File Upload or Folder Upload. After that, you have to upload the file that you want to send via Yahoo on your drive. Now, once you have uploaded the file, you have to head to these three dots next to that file. You have to click on it. Here, click on Share. Now go to Copy Link. You have to copy the link to this drive. Now, once you have copied the link, head over to your Yahoo Mail. Now here, in the body section, you have to paste the link and send this link to the recipient, and then the recipient will have access to your larger file. So in this way you can share large file in Yahoo Mail. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.